Hello and welcome. You're now looking at the Warrior Plus affiliate network, and we're here because we're going to look at some advanced scenarios of setting up sales funnels. You'll notice here that we're inside of what is called an offer area, and Warrior Plus is like any other affiliate network. You're going to have offers that extend from the products that you have on the network. Sales funnels are important because they give you the opportunity to offer individuals that are going to be promoting your products to earn more revenue for every sale that they send you. You are going to notice here that in the products column that each of these offers have multiple products inside of the funnel. That means then that in this case, an individual has 6 opportunities to earn income. In this case, for this product, an individual has 5 opportunities to earn income from one sale. This is important to you as well as the individual that may be promoting your product to their subscriber list. There are other affiliate networks that are very similar, such as JVZoo, Zaxa, and Pay Kickstart. The basics are going to be the same. You're going to have an offer, and you're also going to have multiple products inside of the offer. So in this case, even though we're going to use the Warrior Plus network as an example, you can operate the same features inside of any affiliate network that we are going to demonstrate to you in this course. Before we move on to more advanced features, we do need to go over some basics. We will do that in the coming videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.